Real quick, this is the series 2 of the Apocalypse boxes. Obviously, you can see here we got a box. It's 9 inches wide, 12 inch. Real quick Facebook video because I can't do it in stills. Box is 12.5 inches wide, 9 1/8 inches deep, 3/4 inch thick. This one's mahogany. The top's about 3/4 of an inch thick. It's actually a little thinner than that. It's got rare earth magnets along the front here, which holds the box shut. Pretty much, that's the latch. The side here, if it'll show up on camera, hopefully that's the whole idea of this video. It's got this little pin in it. I can make another pin for this. I'm going to probably, because you can see that little dot there. That's where I glued the pin in. There's the pin. This lifts out to reveal a hidden compartment for your favorite Second Amendment implement. These are going to go into production shortly. I've got one in the works that'll be Tiger Maple and Black Walnut. Welcome to the Apocalypse.